Hello! So today I am going to show you how to keep your iPad case, I guess. I mean, it could probably work for just tablets or whatever. Probably maybe iPhones, I don't know. It's just like an easy fix for cases that are kind of falling apart or that may have broken, like this one, which is the case that we have for it right now, that it's not in its case, so I can show y'all. If you can see that all the corners on this one have broken off. See? That one you can really tell, and like the stuff is peeling off. See? So it doesn't hold the iPad in it anymore. So the iPad basically just sits in it. So until we get a new case, which is coming soon, hopefully. So then I've figured this out to kind of keep it in its case in case anything happens to it or anything of that sort. And that iPad that I have, well, it's not mine, actually. It's like the family iPad or whatever. I think it's the new iPad 2. Maybe it's the iPad 3. Not sure. I know it has the new charge cord. It just says iPad on the back. I'm not sure because it was like, I don't know, it was a while ago that we got it, and yeah. So, and in this case, I mean, I'm pretty sure that you can use this with just about any case. It's more the fact that the corners have broken off that's the issue. So, yeah, and this is a case that it's kind of like leather, and you can turn it and it like opens, and you can like prop it up, and you can like close it and all that jazz. I'm pretty sure we got it on Amazon. It was pretty cheap. But yeah, so all you need is, of course, your iPad case, your iPad, of course. And what I'm using here is glue dots. Oh, wait, can you read that inside? There you go. Bam. Glue dots are amazing. I mean, I think you could use hot glue, but the issue with hot glue is that you might, what's it called? So the issue with hot glue is that you might melt the case, which could be really bad, and that just wouldn't work. And then you'd have to stick the iPad in there pretty quickly after you do that. So, and this works pretty well. I've only had to redo the glue dots in here because we've taken it out again and again, which is probably what caused it to break in the first place. But whatever. So what I do is I get the glue dots. I'm not sure if you can see it on there. Yeah, you can see it right there. And I put them like right outside of the middle. You can see that right there. I usually put at least 4. Oh, that one kind of bent down. And you can kind of like carefully stretch them out with your fingers if you want them to be longer. And I think these are the large glue dots. They sell small ones, but just the small ones aren't very useful for any of the arts and crafts things that I've done. And they also sell like the strips, but we're out of them right now. The strips were the ones that we actually used before that, and that worked really well. But yeah, and here's the last one. Let's see. there. And you don't really have to make sure that they're stuck on there really well, because whenever you put your iPad in the case, that'll do the job for you, basically. And I mean, I guess you could put them up here if you really want to make sure it's going to stay, but I'm pretty sure that my sister would peel it out anyway. So yeah. I actually am going to put some, I'm going to put one right at the top, just to kind of make sure that that top part of it does stay in there. Okay, so now that we have all those glue dots in there, hey look, it kind of looks like a little man with a hole in his belly. Ah. And so now I'm getting the iPad. Here, let me make sure that I do this while staying on camera and do it right. And kind of make sure that you put it in there right, because repositioning it could like kind of mess up the glue dots, so then it won't stay as well in there. Like, so once you peel it out, you can put it back in there a few more times. Oh. But like, don't try to do it like a billion times, because then you'd have to start replacing the glue dots, or just get a new case. But if you're cheap like my family, yay, you just like stick with the case and fix it. But yeah, so then you get the case, and I usually just like start with the bottom, so it's not actually touching the glue dots right yet. And then I just kind of like line the side up with it. Here, wait, yeah, that side is lined up. And then from there, I kind of make sure here that I push all the corners in. And then I push down where I know the glue dots are. That would have been really bad if I accidentally put this in upside down. That would be bad. And so then there you have it. It stays, which is good. But as you can tell with this case, see, look, all the corners popping off. But now it's staying in its case. See? No hands. Well, you can see it. Woo. That's probably really dangerous in case I accidentally dropped it. It's okay, I'm over a counter. That would be really bad if I was just like standing there. That would be bad. I would like die if I broke this. But yeah. Alright, bye.